Welcome to Wizard.com. This is Ashwini, Maths tutor. Our question is, faces of cube are marked with A, B, C, D, E and F. If three views of cube are as shown below, what will be there on the face opposite to face E? Here we can observe, as per the first wave, F and B are adjacent to E. That is, these are not opposite to E. Similarly, as per the second wave, we can observe that B and A are adjacent to E. That is, B and A are not opposite to E. And as per the third wave, here A and C are adjacent to E. So A and C are not opposite to E. So only D left there. Therefore, only D is left and has to be opposite to E. So our correct option is option C.